I know that guy that does like reels and whatever. He's on social media, and I think he has like maybe an English accent, and he's just walking around in bogs, and he's finding just weird shit in the forest. I feel like I'm doing a version of that in Oklahoma right now, because I just found this like lovely path into some woods. Just looking for all the treats of nature. I found a treat of nature. Basically, they want us to have a little sit around a beautiful tree, which feels like absolutely that's what we're going to be up to right now. Basically, I just want us to have a little relax. We're walking further into the forest of Oklahoma. There's a sabble mabble in our midst. The birds are chirping. Guys, this is magic. There is so many smell to smell. That's right, we gotta check out the trees. We see a bridge in the distance. It's a magical bridge. I know it's shabba dabba doo. We just had an adventure in the magical forest. There was another dog. The dog really wanted to get to know Sable, and Sable did not want to get to know the dog. I understand. He was barking very loudly, so we'll go over the magical bridge. Lead the way, puppy. No fear over the bridge. Look at this. Basically, it's picture perfect. Oh wow, looky there. Oh, we're having a great time. It's time for us to leave the magical forest. Perhaps we'll come back. We'll see you in the morning. Shabba dabba doo.